नील शैल प्रबल मत बारण मो आरत नलिनी बनकु कर दलन आहे नील शैल।
Rath Yatra, the festival of chariots of the Holy Trinity, Lord Jagannath, his elder brother Balabhadra and sister goddess Subhadra, is celebrated every year on Shukla Paksha Tvitya of Odia month of Ashadha at Puri, the holy town of Odisha. The Rath Yatra or car festival, known for its unique rituals and rich history, is not only famous within the country but also celebrated across the globe. According to historians and the Madara Panji, an Odia calendar considered most authentic, celebration of the festival started way back in 1230 AD after construction of the Jagannath temple in the pilgrim town during the regime of King Anangabhima Deva III. All the rituals, right from identification of trees for construction of the chariots to return of the deities to the temple, are conducted as per the traditions being followed since then. The process of collection of wood for construction of the chariots begins on the Sri Panchami day. On this auspicious day, the Gajapati king of Puri sends a Sutradhara, messenger, to the forest in search of the holy trees after performing rituals like Sankalpa and Acharya Karana. After the identification of the trees in the forest of Daspala and nearby areas, the Acharyas and servitors perform puja and start axing down the trees. The wheels of the chariots are made using wood of trees like Phasi, Dhaura and Osana, whereas trees like Kansa, Simili, Paradhua, Neem, Kambhari, Kadamba and Debadaru are used in the construction of the body of the chariots. As many as 274 logs of wood are used to construct the chariots. Later, 4 horses are attached to each chariot. The horses attached to the chariot of Lord Jagannath are white in color, while the horses attached to the chariots of Lord Balabhadra and Goddess Subhadra are black and red in color respectively. The day Akshaya Tritiya has its own importance in the Sri Mandir. From this day, the chariot making work starts in front of Sri Nora in Puri. At first, the Shrotriya Brahmins and servitors conduct a yajna and give holy bath to the wood meant for construction of the chariots. Later, Puja Pandas bring Agyamala of the Holy Trinity to the construction site with a Biman, palanquin with Madan Mohan, Ramakrishna, Sri Devi and Bhudevi placed on it. After getting the Agyamala, carpenters begin the work. Snana Yatra is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Jyestha. The festival is also popularly known as Devasnana Purnima. The Chaturtha Murti, Jagannath, Balabhadra, Subhadra and Sudarshan are brought out of the temple in Pahundi, the ritual of carrying the deities in a unique style and taken in procession to Snana Bedi, where the deities are offered a holy bath. Lord Balabhadra is offered 33 pitchers of water, while Lord Jagannath, Devi Subhadra and Sudarshan are offered 35, 22 and 18 pitchers of holy water respectively during the bathing festival. However, due to excessive bath, the deities suffer from fever for the next fortnight. During this period, rituals like Gupta Niti, Netrosav and Navajopana Darsana of the Holy Trinity are performed. The three deities come out of the temple in a spectacular procession in Pahundi style and climb atop their respective chariots on the first day of Rath Yatra. At first, Sudarshan is brought out of the temple and placed on Debadalana, the chariot of goddess Subhadra. Later, Lord Balabhadra is taken atop his chariot Taladhwaja, followed by goddess Subhadra to hers. Finally, Lord Jagannath is taken out of the temple and placed on his chariot Nandighosa. After all the deities are seated in their respective chariots, the Gajapati king of Puri, considered as the foremost devotee of the Trinity, performs Chhera Pohara, the ritual of sweeping the chariots clean with a golden broom. The royal comes from his palace on a splendidly decorated palanquin. In earlier times, he used to come riding an elephant to perform the ritual. After completion of Chhera Pohara, the chariots are tied to horses and pulling of the car starts on Barodanda, or the grand road beginning from in front of the temple. The divine siblings then proceed to visit their aunt's place called Gundicha Mandira, leaving behind goddess Lakshmi, wife of Lord Jagannath. However, goddess Lakshmi gets furious over being left behind alone at Sri Mandir. She too goes to Gundicha Ghara, where the Trinity is put up on Hera Panchami day, 5 days after Rath Yatra, and returns to Sri Mandir only after damaging a part of Nandi Ghosha in anger and disgust. After spending 8 days at Adapa Mandapa in Gundicha temple, the deities commence their journey or Bahura Yatra on the 9th day. On the way, the chariots stop for a while at the Mosima temple, also known as Ardhasani temple, where the three deities are offered Podopitha, a typical Odia sweet dish made of rice, coconut, lentil and jaggery. The chariots of Balabhadra and Subhadra then move forward and are parked at Singadwara or Lion's Gate of the main temple, whereas the Nandi Ghosha again halts in front of the king's palace. Goddess Lakshmi is then carried to the chariot of Jagannath seated in a palanquin. She is offered a garland which Lord Jagannath uses as loving souvenir for her divine partner. After receiving the garland, Goddess Lakshmi goes back to Sri Mandir and waits for him. Then the deities are adorned with golden and other royal attires while seated on the chariots in the evening. The ritual is called Sunabeso, also known as Rajabeso. It is also performed 4 more times in a year, but when the Trinity is seated inside the temple. The amount of gold used in the Beso attire is said to be beyond determination. A Upon Lord Jagannath's arrival at Sri Mandir, the deities are offered Adharapana, a sweet-scented drink made of milk, sugar, cheese, banana, camphor, nutmeg, black pepper, etc. in huge cylindrical earthen pitchers on the 11th day. After completing all the rituals of the Rath Yatra, the Trinity, along with Sudarshan, returns to Sri Mandir on the 12th day. On this day, the servitors welcome the deities by lighting fires. First, Sudarshan and then Balabhadra, followed by Devi Subhadra, enter the temple. At this juncture, Goddess Lakshmi mischievously shuts the door of the temple and engages Lord Jagannath in a pleasant repartee for remaining absent from the temple for so long. Later, the Lord is made to sit beside her and a ritual of reunion is rehearsed. Finally, a pleased Lakshmi allows him to enter the sanctum sanctorum of the temple. The Lord then ascends the Ratna Singhasana and rejoins his siblings. The ritual is known as Niladri Bijay. Nabo Kalebora, the ritual of the deities getting new embodiment, will be conducted this year after a gap of 19 years. The whole world is eagerly waiting to witness the Nabojobana of the Holy Trinity after such a long time.